create a new 2D scene, add a sprite, give the sprite a texture, make it a little smaller, drag it to the middle, add a script, in the process, write if input dot was action pressed, UI up. We want to set direction dot y equals to -1. Obviously we don't have a direction, or direction equals to vector to I. Else if input dot is action pressed, UI down, we want to set direction dot y to 1. Let's copy this. For left, we want to set direction dot x to -1. And for right, we want to set direction dot x to 1. Let's define another variable, speed. Let's call it 5. And then we want to do global position. Oh, before we set the global position, let's have a case where nothing is being pressed. Then direction should equal a 0 vector. Then we want to set the global position of the object. We want to add it to direction and to speed. Let's save the scene, play. And we have movement.